planting is essential for the health and the longevity of your rose. Make sure the rose's planting location has good soil and is ideally in a raised bed or a raised location that drains well to prevent root rot. Roses do not tolerate being waterlogged. Roses are sun-loving plants. They require at least 6 to 8 or more hours of direct sunlight per day. Good air circulation around the rose plant reduces disease and insect issues. Also make sure that your selected location provides the rose with enough room to grow. So when selecting a location for the rose, start with good soil and drainage, select a sunny location with good air circulation and with room for the rose to go. When planting multiple roses, plant the roses at the recommended spacing to allow for mature growth and with adequate air circulation. Prior to actually planting a rose, prepare the rose bush by removing any damaged or diseased canes and roots. To plant a potted rose that is in a nursery container, dig the planting hole about twice as wide and as deep as the rose's root ball. Fill the bottom of the planting hole with a mixture of compost or well-rotted manure to improve the soil fertility and drainage. For both potted and bare root roses, sprinkle a balanced rose fertilizer in the planting hole. Plant the rose at the same depth it was growing in the nursery container. It is important to stake the rose for both potted and bare root roses. Insert the stake into the ground near the rose's base, then tie the rose's canes to the stake using soft pine material like twine or garden tape. The information for planting the bare root rose is usually noted on the package containing the rose. Place the rose on a mound of soil within the planting hole and spread the roots around the mound. Gently fill the planting hole with the remaining soil, ensuring the rose bush is planted at the correct depth. Firm the soil around the base of the rose bush to eliminate any pockets, then stake the rose. After planting a rose, water the rose thoroughly and continue to keep the soil moist but not soggy to help the rose's roots get established. Add a 2-inch layer of mulch around the base of your rose to help them retain moisture, suppress weeds and protect the roots. So in summary, consider these listed items when planting your rose.